Sobrang galing talaga ni Paris maghanap, guys. Ang galing ng kanyang mata ba? On the tree! Si Daddy Mike, wala siyang work today.
There's one more.
Where did you put? You can't ask Daddy where he put the egg. That is giving you a hint. So, ito yung top natin, guys. White na top. Ayan. Top. Ito yung pants. And then, ito yung shoes. Ayan. Diba? Afternoon, welcome back to our channel. Happy Friday. It is now 1 o'clock ng hapon and I'm on my lunch break. Kaya ngayon nandito kami sa labas. Say hi. 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 Si Daddy Mike wala siyang work today kaya we took Paris out. Hindi naman kami makakalayo, so nandito lang kami sa aming front yard and maglalaro kami, guys. What are we playing, Nak? Huh? Hide and seek? Don't look, Nak. Don't look. So, yung gagawin namin ngayon, guys, is yung nilaro namin noong Easter. So, yung mga eggs ba, Easter eggs, tinatago ni Daddy Mike. Tapos, hahanapin ni Paris. Very excited siya, guys. So, merong 5 eggs. Sundin natin si Paris.
Go Paris, find the eggs.
Ayan. Wala naman kaming ibang magawa, guys. Si Paris din, walang childcare. So, kailangan naming entertain ng ating baby girl.
Get the egg?
Did you find it? Where's your bucket?
Yeah. Give it to Daddy.
Give it to Daddy so Daddy will hide it again.
Now where's the eggs? Find the egg.
Find more. Find more.
Come on, Baba. Go get it.
Sobrang galing talaga ni Paris maghanap, guys. Ang galing ng kanyang mata ba? On the tree! That's the second one. How many eggs we had, Nak?
5.
How many?
I'll find more.
You'll find more? Ayan, nakita talaga niya, guys. Oh, merong isa pa dyan. Wow!
Yay!
You found it. That's the third one.
Yeah.
Find more?
Yeah.
Allah! Wow, very good, anak. That's the fourth one. Only one left.
I'll find more.
One more.
One more. One more. Where did you put it, Daddy? I couldn't even see it.
One more.
I think she's in it. Yay! Good job. Well done. Give it to Mommy. Hulat sa diri na kasi Daddy's hiding it again. Wait here.
Let's find
Yeah, ayaw pang wise.
the birds.
Yeah. Put it up properly, B.
We had the seek.
Hide and seek.
Yes.
Yes. Do you like hide and seek?
Yes.
You love finding the eggs?
Daddy just find the egg.
Yeah, you love finding the
Daddy,
eggs.
hide it.
Don't look, nak. Waisan.
Eagle.
Eagle! Eagle. What's the color of the eagle, Nak?
And black.
Black. Finish, Daddy? Okay. Go.
More eggs.
Find more eggs.
This way.
Did you find one? Wow! Great job, honey!
I got it here.
Oh, wow! She found
Get the egg. You can get it.
Yay! Great job, honey!
Mama.
Find more? There's more!
There's one more.
Daddy. Daddy.
Egg! Goyayu! Egg! Goyayu! Give it to Daddy.
Careful. Ready?
Hi, friends! Moose back!
Jump.
Moose back!
Jump, jump, jump.
1, 2, 3. Ready, steady,
Go.
go!
Whoa!
Good job, honey.
Egg more, Daddy.
Okay, ready? Be careful. Out. One, two, three. Jump. Oh! Jump. Stand by. Come. Jump to Daddy. Come on. Come on, jump. Be careful. Jump.
Jump, ah.
Jump. Whoa! Whoa! Jump. Jump.
Moose back.
No, jump. No, Paris,
No,
jump.
no, no, jump now. 1,
One. Come.
Good job, my love. And nag-lunch break na ako, guys, kasi hanggang 4 o'clock lang yung work namin today. Kasi meron kaming something sa work. So after 4 o'clock, kailangan na namin mag-ready. Kaya, yun. Kaya maaga akong nag-lunch break. Daddy is hiding. 1, 2, 3. Go! Daddy is hiding the egg, so you shouldn't be looking. Hi, friends! You can't look because Daddy's hiding the egg. Don't silip. No, find it. Find it.
Find it. Find the egg. Come in. It's your time for nap.
What's that? Come on na. Door na, Daddy. Open the door na. Oh. Come on. It's cold na. Tulog na ikaw. Come. Come on, Daddy's waiting, anak.
Bring the toy.
You bring the toy. I have it. Go,
Come on.
go. Let's go have a nap. Para madalaga na ka.
So the truck doesn't come.
Hi guys! Nandito tayo ngayon sa ating beauty room. And kung makikita nyo ay nakalistik si ate nyo. Nakalistik sa atin nyo at naka-mook up na rin. Kasi nga diba, na-mention ko sa inyo kanina nung nandun kami sa labas na hanggang 4 o'clock lang yung work namin today. Kasi, share ko sa inyo guys, before nag-stage 4 lockdown kami dito sa Melbourne, supposed to be yung work namin, yung sa opisina namin, dapat sana mag-catch up kami for lunch or dinner sa isang restaurant. Ngayon, kasi nag-stage 4 after namin pinano lahat yun, sabi ng boss namin na we will just catch up virtually. So, yung mangyayari ngayon, hanggang 4 o'clock lang kami mag-work, tapos off na kami. And then, yung boss namin, pinadalhan kami ng mga vouchers, mga gift vouchers worth $50, guys. Kasi yung gusto nila na we will buy something for ourselves, like our favorite drinks and favorite snacks, yung ganun. Actually, yung colleague ko, meron siyang inorganize na game for all of us. So, kahit virtual lang, guys, kahit video call lang kami, at least we're still having fun. So, yun yung gagawin namin ngayon. And kaya ngayon ay nag-ready sa atin nyo. Ayan. So, naka-char-char. Ayan, nakapagwapa sa atin yun. Then, naisip ko na, maybe it's perfect opportunity rin para magbihis ako. Kasi nga, diba, I've been working from home since March. And minsan lang talaga ako makapagbihis. And I miss dressing up. Kasi every time na pumupunta ako ng opisina, I always dress up. And ngayon, I want to look presentable din ganyan. Kasi, diba, makakasamahan mo yan sa trabaho kahit video call lang. Kaya, naisip ko, ito yung suotin ko, guys. So, I've got like a white top. Ayan, so pinansya ko siya. Bongga sa atin yung pinaghandaan talaga. Tapos, I'll wear these hot pink na pants. Ayan, wala namang makakakita ng pants, guys, kasi half lang naman yung nakikita sa camera. But anyways, it makes me feel good, kaya gagawin ko. And ang ating baby girl pala is nakatulog kasi nagnanap siya before. And Daddy Mike is watching TV. And now, I'm just gonna put my clothes on, put my nice clothes on. And then, I'll see you again soon. Nakabihis na si atin nyo. Ayan. So, ito yung ating top. Diba? Meron pang pabobo dito na malaki. And then, hindi nyo makikita ang aking pants, guys. Kasi, wala man. Si Paris kasi, nasa kwarto, hindi ko magagamit yung full-size mirror natin ba? Hindi nyo makikita. But maybe later, pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Tapos, nag-shoes lang ako ng ganito. Diba? Kahit nandito lang sa bahay, pagpasensyahan nyo na dito, guys, makalat kasi nga nag-makeup sa atin nyo. But yeah, that's our look. And then now, I have to go back to work kasi hindi pa siya 4 o'clock. Nag-ready lang talaga ako quickly. And yeah, I'll update you later. Guys, it's nearly 4 o'clock ng hapon and nag-move lang ako dito malapit sa window para may natural lighting tayo, diba? Kasi doon sa likod, it's very dark and dito tayo para makita ang ating beauty. Si Baby Paris pala ay nakatulog pa rin. And si Daddy Mike ay nandito sa couch. So, hindi nyo lang siya makita. But, yeah, ready na natin ang ating laptop. And then, ito yung dala ko, guys. Itong iced chocolate. Tapos, Doritos. So, tatanungin kami ng boss namin kung bakit yan yung napili naming snacks na bilhin. Kaya we're just having, guys, fun. We're not talking about work or anything. Parang catch up lang talaga ba? Kasi na-miss talaga namin yung, yung parang catch up namin sa opisina. So, it's good that we're doing this one, you know? Kita ko lang sa inyo quickly yung suot natin. Kasi hindi klaro yun kanina. So, ito yung top natin, guys. White na top. Ayan. Top. Ito yung pants. And then, ito yung shoes. Ayan. Diba? Hindi ba halata na ito yung favorite color ko, guys? There's nothing fancy for me today. I've got iced chocolate. Where? Yeah, I've got iced chocolate. That one. And I've got Doritos. I bought these two because this just reminds me of when I arrived here in Australia for the first time in 2010. I guess I got really into iced chocolate because in the little town where I came from in the Philippines, we don't really have, things like this, like iced chocolates and all. So I thought it was really fancy. And yeah, I think like Doritos, this particular one, because I love everything with cheese. And it reminds me of the chips in McDonald's, but in the Philippines. It's now 6 o'clock and ngayon lang natapos yung catch up namin, guys. Video call catch up. So it was for 2 hours kasi 4 o'clock kami nag-start and it's really 10 past 6 now. Kaya it was good. It was a great catch up with my colleagues, guys. It's good that we have, that thing Para naman kahit malayo kami sa isa't isa, kahit hindi kami nakikita-kita talaga, but we still have, you know, fun times together. Yes, anak? What are you doing?
Find Paris.
Find Paris?
Hey, please.
You can go in there. There's no space. Labhunon Israel.
Mommy, please.
There's Paris.
Find Paris.
There you go. Let's find Paris though, guys. I can't find Paris. Yes, anak. Be. Where is Paris? Where is Paris?
Mommy,
Nandito tayo ngayon sa kwarto, guys, kasi si Daddy Mike at saka si Paris nanonood sila ng TV and they're very noisy. Kaya pumasok ko dito sa kwarto kasi hindi ako makakapag-vlog doon kasi may mga music and baka makapiright tayo. Anyways, ayan guys, oh. Magtutupi tayo ng mga damit. Yan yung gagawin natin ngayon kasi start na ang weekend, guys. So, stop na sa work. And ngayon ay mga house chores na naman tayo. May mga labahin pa pala nandun sa clothesline. So, kukunin natin yun. So, I think it's already dry kasi yung heater natin is bonggang-bongga talaga. And alam nyo, natanggap namin yung bill para sa kuryente for last month. And guys, lumugwa talaga ang aking eyeballs ba. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, how did we manage to do that? Kasi sobrang mahal, guys. Kasi nga dahil may heater dito sa kwarto, tapos may heater din sa labas. And very impossible naman na hindi kami magpa-heater kasi sobrang ginaw talaga. At hindi ko pa hinubad ang aking damit, guys, para feeling ko maganda pa rin ako kahit nagtutupi ako ng mga damit. And you know what, guys, actually, kasi si Daddy Mike yung pinabili ko kanina ng aking drinks. Di ba pinakita ko kanina na may iced chocolate ako tapos yung chips. Binigyan kami ng voucher ng kumpanya namin para may pambili kami ng snacks namin during our catch-up. And it was very generous of the company para gawin yun, guys, because I know myself talaga na may mga kumpanya na hindi gumagawa ng ganun. And I'm very happy na naging part ako ng kumpanyang ito, guys. Kasi alam niyo naman, guys, $50 just to buy your drinks and, you know, your snacks. Si Daddy Mike yung pinapunta ko sa grocery shop kanina para bilhin yun. Kasi nga hindi pwede dalawa pumunta, diba? So, si Daddy Mike lang yung pumunta. Tapos, yung binili niya, guys, yun lang yung iced chocolate tapos Doritos. Maybe that's a total of $7. So, it means may $43 pa na iwan. Alam yung ginawa ni Mike, guys, binili niya ng mga pagkain namin, guys. Binili niya ng mga carrots, binili niya ng meat, and all. Kasi hindi naman talaga kailangan na ubusin lahat yung $50 para sa snacks lang, diba? But yeah, it was very helpful. It was really nice of them to do that. And sabi pa ng boss namin kanina, kasi nandun siya, yung boss namin sa Sydney, kasi ka-join siya kanina sa aming video ko, at tapos sabi niya na kahit sino yung mag-birthday sa team namin dito sa Melbourne, mag-ano daw siya, magpapa-Uber Eats daw siya ba? Magpahanda daw siya para sa lahat. So, that was really nice of them. Is that, honey? Eyes. Come, show me. Come here. Show tita and tito your eyes. Ayushi. Paris is here. What's that?
Ice.
Eyes. Yay. What's the color of your eyes?
Pink.
Pink. Sit here, babe, because mama's gonna fold the clothes. Say hi, tita. Hi, tita. Hi, tito.
Hi, Tito.
Alam niyo yung ice cream niya, guys, na ganyan. Yung binili ni Mike is yung, parang vegetables ba siya na ice cream. So, hindi siya, ice cream siya, pero at least hindi talaga yung very sweet ba. I-close muna natin yung door. Very noisy. Do you wanna help mama na? No, why not? Why not? And alam nyo, guys, yung ginagawa pa ng kumpanya namin. So, every Christmas, nililipad nila kami sa Sydney. Lahat kami dito sa Melbourne. Doon kami sa Sydney nag-spend ng aming Christmas. Kasi yung kumpanya namin, di ba, all over the world siya. May mga offices sa Brisbane, sa Sydney, sa South Australia, sa Saan pa ba? Sa Western Australia, lahat meron kaming mga offices, guys. Pero pag Christmas, lahat talaga, nagagather kami lahat sa Sydney. Kasi yung main office namin dito sa Australia ay sa Sydney. So, lahat kaming mga employee, pumupunta kami sa Sydney, guys. And you know what? Dala namin lahat yung pamilya namin. They spend so much money para sa kanilang mga employee, guys. Kaya they're very blessed din sa business nila. Kasi obviously, pag inalagaan tayong mga employee, 'di ba? So we do our best din para mabalik din sa kumpanya yung yung pagka-generous ba nila. So we work hard as well. Sila yung nagbabayad ng aming hotel, sila yung nagbabayad ng mga flights, yung pagkain, everything, guys, sila yung nagka-cover. And we're very sad nga sa namin sa video call namin kanina kasi sabi namin baka walang ganyan this year. Very, very disappointing kasi dahil nga sa COVID situation ngayon. Nag-dinner na kami and nagpa-take away lang si Daddy, guys. KFC yung dinner namin. Hindi na kami nagluto. Where is it? Put it in Mommy's ear na. Quick. I just wanna say thank you and welcome sa ating mga bagong subscribers. I hope na na-enjoy niyo yung mga vlogs natin. And kung meron man kayong mga suggestions, mga ganyan, let me know in the comment section below. And of course, hindi natin makakalimutan ng ating mga subscribers na hindi ako iniwan from day dot. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo sa lahat na suporta na pinapakita niyo sa amin. It's getting late now, guys. It's nearly 9 o'clock ng gabi. So, kaya si Paris ay nakabihis na. And ako ay, maghihilamos na rin ako at magbibihis na ako and we'll get ready for bed as well. But I'm very excited kasi bukas is Saturday, so makakapag-sleep in tayo. Very, very excited, guys. Yan lang talaga yung nilook forward ko pag weekend, guys, yung sleep in.
Mommy.
Yes, my love? Get the cow. So, I'm just gonna do a quick shout out, guys, sa ating mga mahal na subscribers. Our first shout out goes to Rose Lumeran, Lynette Cartagena, Lisan Bansil from Lubao, Pampanga, and also sa kanya mga apo daw, Manu, Ayay, Kyle, and Candice. Shout out to Daisy Flemmer from Nueva Ecija, Lina de los Santos from Teresa Rizal, Maricel Mabalot ang saya kahit kailan, shout out. Shout out to Annabel Pahuwayan, Nori Aliada, Marie Therese Buhisan from Talakag, Bukidnon. Shout out to Junray Gikan, Susing Sales, Betsy Mama 1980. Shout out daw, ay yung pangalan pala niya ay Lilibeth Flores Domicilio. Shout out to Gemaline Javier from Quezon City. Shout out to Celia Delgado, Cherry May Ongayo, Jenny Molina, Evs Cruz, Mary Jane Subere, Rosemary La Rosa, Kusha Basham, Dali Baldesco, Evert Suta 53, Melincia Apundar, Mary Ann Cardoza. Shout out to Nini Jean, Eleanor Alexis Banasin Antiniao, Tiny Bubbles, Tess Arellano, Hermogenes Rapon, Betty Rubio, Four Beautiful Creators, Mommy Rose Sabalie, Patricia Mondoyo, Emily Timothy, Diana Jane Bravo, Vanji Tirado, Joanne Ambe, Matleads TNL Channel, Simply Rate, Natividad Ibasan, Inday Gementiza Diez Torrijos, Gloria Pinano, Floraniel Gaviola, Tiza Moreno, Mary Jane Encina, Midin Maraon, Jenaline Papa, Nim K. Mendoza, Rosalyn Taihon, Brianna Abriana, Marichu Solis, and Adela Moratin. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family, and make sure na i-hit nyo rin yung bell button para always kayong notified sa ating mga bagong videos. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye-bye.
bye! Mwah!